Hello everyone, this is Eddie Davila with MDF3 Week 1. For this week we were to create an application that will demonstrate the ability to use notifications and audio playback with the use of pending intents and services. I am using the media player class to play audio and a media controller class to control playback. I'm also using a service instance so that audio is played when the application is working in the background. I have declared my permissions inside my manifest file in order to gain access to that data, and I am using a list view to display the artist and the name of the song. I created a song query class to model the audio data and used an adapter, and in this case the song adapter class is used to map the songs to the list view. In my song adapter class, I set the title and the artist text using position index, and I hook up my song adapter class to the list view in my main activity. For the controllers, I use the media controller Android widget because it's a standard widget that uses play, pause, rewind, fast forward, skip previews and next, and a slide bar for song position. All this playback is happening in the service class, but the music controls are in the main activity. So I bounded the activity instance to the service instance, so we can control the playback from the user interface. I used notifications and pending intents to allow the app to return to the main activity when the notification has been clicked, and the application runs fairly well, not too many problems. I had a few extra days to fix a few things, but for now this is all I have, and I'm going to run the application. Okay, I have to unlock it. As you can see, I have a list of songs, and I can click on one of them. In this case, I'm going to click on Final Toccata, and you'll see that there's a notification above. The notification is saying playing Final Toccata. You can click on that, and you're sent back to the main activity. And you can also skip forward. And you can skip songs. And now you'll notice another song is being played. And display Heavenly Doorway. These are all tracks from a video game called Castlevania that was released for PlayStation 2. Not that it matters, could be any file, but in this case I decided to use that. And a quick overview of my code. Here you can see I declared my instance variables for the multiple parts of my application. And here I inflate the main activity and I add the list view to that activity. These are the methods to get the list of the songs, the controller, and the adapter. This is a helper method because we will be setting the controller up more than once in the life cycle of the application. See here we set the controller to work on the media playback in the app, and also connect via connect the view referring to the list in the layout, which is this right here, my list view. Okay, here I connect to the service class, which models the data for a single song that will be applied to all the songs that are being played. And these are the implemented methods, the default methods for the audio playback, such as on options, item selected. Here I added a, as you can see in the simulator. Where did it go? Okay, let's minimize this. So here it is. So as you can see here, I added a close or an X to close the application. Once you click on this, all playback will be stopped, but you will see I'm playing now a different song, and I'm gonna play I Am the Wind now. You can see here I Am the Wind, and I'm gonna minimize it, and playback will still happen even though the application is idle. And you can return to the application, and again on the notifications you can click on the song that is being played and you will be sent back to the main activity. I'm going to pause it for now. I do have other code to show. For example, in my music controller, this is created, but nothing pretty much goes in it. We just have to declare it. The music service, song adapter, and you can see it's the, besides the imports, you also create instance variables and constructor method. This will return the size of the list, and here we set the title and the artist text by retrieving the correct song query instance from this class. Other than that, pretty straightforward, but it does take a lot of time to implement all these. But that's it. That's all I have for now. This is Eddie Davila with MDF3 week 1. Good luck, everyone. See you next week.